Hey guys, welcome back to
the Romano Show. Today we're playing
Escape
SpongeBob.
The Krusty Krab obby. Can we touch it? Oh, we gotta go out there. I see the checkpoint. Oh, you okay, SpongeBob? Is he? You good? Oh, planktin. Hey, you. I need help getting the secret formula from crabs. I ain't gonna help you, bro. No chance. Cause I died, so there's... Oh, goodbye. Goodbye, old character. Hello, new character. What's it? Oh, okay, we're going to... Whoa, alright. Oh my, you don't have any pupils in her mouth! Wow. Oh, they flip. Yo, that is not SpongeBob. Oh. That is not SpongeBob. I've seen SpongeBob, guys, but that's not it. That's not SpongeBob. I hate that laugh. It's so mischievous. Alright, don't flip. No, you dummy! I spent a minute, about like a minute on this part.
It's so
Go.
hard.
In the second one flipped.
We don't talk about Bruno, no. We don't talk about Bruno, but it was my wedding. It was our wedding. We didn't get ready, and there wasn't a cloud.
Yes, no! I got the checkpoint. No, I got the checkpoint, yo. Let me slow down. Yo, I got the checkpoint. I have to wait for that one to flip. Yeah. Flip, and then wait for this one to flip. I literally made that. Yes. All right, we gotta guess which.
I know what it is.
Which one?
It's
the first one?
Yeah, first.
Oh,
yep, I told you.
Let's see the third one.
And then the third, it's third. Told you.
Really?
And the smarty pants.
Alright. Oh, you gotta go in bubbles? Oh my gosh, you're so... Yo! SpongeBob, what have you done? Wait for the bubbles to spawn. Oh, wait. Where's the... I heard it. Here we go.
Here we go, Mario. That's what I always say.
I hope I make it. Wee! Alright, good thing we didn't spend so much time on that. It's only like 2 times. Ooh. Is that French dressing?
Yummy.
You like French dress? Oh,
it's
no.
Tomato.
I thought you said you like French dressing.
I love French dress. No, not French. Italian.
Okay. Oh. Okay. Do these go up, baby?
No.
Maybe?
No.
Baby?
No.
Baby! Whoa, where are we going? Wee, baby. Oh, cool. Quick, jump on the burgers. What have I just done? Alright, let's see. Wait, how do we jump to that burger? Oh, I see here. Are we going outside? Goodbye, SpongeBob, and your evil laugh. I know what you're up to. Get me out of here. Ooh.
Oh.
Wait, this flag banner might be a code for the safe. Oh, that's it. Alright, so let's see here. It goes that. I didn't click it. That. And then it goes that. Oh, I'm in! Oh my gosh, where is that formula? Yo, bro, this place is so big. Wait, where do we get up? Okay, I didn't say where we were gonna get up. Yo, bro, we got shrunken. Oh my gosh, why? And look at Planktin, he's tinier. Yo, this is not even money. Mr. Krabs, where's that formula?
You're such an idiot today.
I can't jump to that. Don't blame me, I can't jump to that. Okay, thank you. What?
Idiots, you're saying.
Alright, guys, we'll be right back as soon as I get past. We made it past that. Took a little bit. Oh, we're outside. It's a speed run. Oh, I love speed runs.
This actually
it's the cars. Whoa.
This actually looks like SpongeBob is living.
Whoa. Okay. Where we go? Oh, don't touch the guns. We're going to SpongeBob's house. I think, though. There's police. Okay. Goodbye. Oh, gosh, I glitched. Whee! Can we go into SpongeBob's house? I'm gonna go into SpongeBob's house. I think we can. Oh, I want to go to Squidward and upset him with his violet. Oh my gosh, if I can go to Squidward's house, that'd be so funny. Alright, the button to open the door, make sure to avoid puddles. Where could the... Wait.
Go in that door.
Oh, it's a button. It's a button.
The button.
It's the button. So, there, click it.
Yep, click it.
There we go. It's open. Whoa. Oh, wow. Don't wake up Gary. I think the formula is in Gary's shell. Go check it out. How do we get into Gary? What's this treasure chest? Okay, you can't click it. You just walk into Gary. Oh, how cool. We're inside Gary. Now find that formula. Why would the formula be in Gary's shell? Yo, this SpongeBob is a... Oh, why are you unhealthy? Yo, this guy's snack bites. Okay. But he is not a snail eater. He's not eating good. Oh, I did not see that. You trickster, I cannot see that. Yo, when you're right there, you can't see it, but then it just pops up. We don't need to read Plankton. We don't have any time. Let's go. I see the spine of Gary. Oh, boom, boom, pop. Okay, you gotta go on the tiny ones. What was that thinking? How could he get on that? Alright, let's go for the spine. How big is Gary's spine? I mean, we're so tiny. We're tinier than we were in the formula, I think. Oh, this seems hard. How fast did we go?
Hot dog.
Oh, yo, that was so easy. Yo, it's like grandma's. Where are we now? Yo, we made it! I have a secret badge around the map. Go find it. A grocery list. I went through all of that for a list. The secret badge are on the map? Where is it? Oh, wait. Remember that door? It's right in here. Oh, no. Yo, I can't find it. Alright, guys. Whoa, we're going to spend some of our time finding that secret map. Because I don't know what that does.
I know what it is.
You do?
Yeah.
Whoa! I had speed. Look, I had speed.
Rowan, go in that door.
Which door? Did I just see the outside? Oh, man! We're up. Where? Which door? We can't.
Well, I found it. I just forget where it is.
Man, you...
I think it's behind the couch or something.
I just looked behind the couch. What's a bad couch?
Okay, guys, so thank you so much for watching.
Yo, we're not gonna hang this up until we find that thing. Yo, dummy, find it. So wait, what is he saying? I've heard there was a secret badge around the map. Go find it. What do you mean, go find?
Yummy.
Yummy. What's
Yummy?
yummy? Yummy? Can we go up? Yummy, what have you done? This is very boring. Oh, wow. I want to fill up SpongeBob's room. Guys, this will probably take a very long time to fill up SpongeBob's room, so we're going to pause this and then fill up SpongeBob's room. Alright, guys, so it seems that it disappears. Because, look, let's see. Draw some. See that? And it disappears. But there's still something about that secret dumb badge about yours. Is it in here? Oh, I got some more. Is it in Gary? Could Plankton have it? Is the grocery list it? Is there anything we can click? I don't think so. Anything we can...
Click Gary, whatever the snail name's eye.
No?
Nope.
Wait,
Other eye.
Do you know? Do you know where it is, Ellie?
I know where it is.
Where? You have to show
It's
me.
one of those little arrow pins, whatever.
What arrow things?
Those arrow colors.
These, one of them is it?
Yeah.
It's
For
not...
each every power.
Oh.
So,
Ooh. Cool.
told you.
Let's see what all of these are. The pals. Do they go? Oh,
yeah.
Okay. Well, no badges. Alright, well, guys, that was it. We'll all see you again soon. And see you soon. Bye-bye.
And the